Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be unboxing the JC Wings Qatar Airways 777-300ER in the FIFA World Cup paint scheme. This is now my third JC Wings 777. So, as a plane flies over, I'm not sure if you guys can hear that in the mic or not, but there's a plane flying over. But here we have 1/400 scale die-cast aircraft model. Here is a drawing of the aircraft. On the bottom here we got a picture of the aircraft again. Boeing 777-300ER, 1/400 scale, and I did not get the flaps down version. I have the normal flaps up version. Here it says FIFA World Cup, and it is in Qatar. Here, just 777-300ER. On this side, just says Qatar Airways. So, not the standard artwork on the sides, but pretty close to it. Here we have the measurements, and then the specifications of the aircraft. So, let's go ahead and open up the airplane. So, here it is, out of the box. Right here we have the Qatar in letter form. And then here we have the Qatar logo along with a soccer ball. And then here we have some writing. I'm not sure what it says. And up here, do have some writing underneath the windows. And here is the nose gear, the main landing gear. Then back here, it says FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. On the candy-like design on the back here of different shades of red and pink. Then we've got the Wi-Fi box and 2 antennas. On the front we have another Wi-Fi box and an antenna. Then back here we also have the registration, which is Alpha 7 Bravo Echo Bravo, and the Qatar flag. Then we have the Qatar tail. And here on the bottom, we have the start of the red. Then we have white around the Qatar lettering, which is in red. Then we've got 2 antennas here on the bottom. We have the registration on the underside of the right wing. Then we have a hole for the stand on the edge of the A, of the first A. And also, the engines are see-through. So, let's get some measurements. The length is 7 1/4 inches long, or 18 1/2 centimeters long. The wingspan is 16 1/2 centimeters wide, and then about 6 1/2 inches wide. So here we have all 3 of my JC Wings 777s lined up. Here is the Qatar FIFA World Cup paint scheme. Then we have the EVA Air, which was the last unboxing, just before this one. And then we have the Korean Air 50th anniversary paint. So that will conclude this unboxing video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!